Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to introduce Genspark AI, an all-in-one AI platform for image generation, deep research, and translations, all for free. I'll show you how to get started, use both basic and advanced agents. Let's dive in. To get started with Genspark, simply head over to the site at genspark.ai. Once you're on the homepage, click the Sign In option. If you don't have an account yet, select one of the options to create your account. It's super easy, and you can get started in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a simple prompt box where you can enter any question or query you have, and Genspark's AI will generate a response for you. Beneath the prompt box, you'll see some predefined options like fashion, deep research, and general chat. If you click on More, you'll find additional options like generate image, data search, and deep research. Now let's dive into the basic agents. On the left-hand side of the screen, click here, and you'll see the Agent tab. The basic agents are a mix of various LLMs, and they're designed to generate personalized content for you. This is the world's first mixture of agents system, meaning you can mix multiple AI models to get the best results. Here you can find agents like Agent Chat, Generate Image, and Translation. Let's start with Agent Chat. You can choose from several LLM models. For example, I'm selecting the O3 Mini High model. Once selected, just type your query in the box. Let's say, for example, explain the Navier-Stokes equations. Hit enter and the AI will generate an answer for you. Now you'll see the O3 Mini working its magic, generating a pretty good response. But here's the cool part. If you want a more accurate answer, you can use the mixture of agents. This combines models like GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini for a more comprehensive, reliable answer. And just like that, Genspark combines these agents to create a more accurate and formatted response. Next up is the Generate Image. This is basically an image generator where you get access to popular models like Flux 1.1 Pro, Flux 1 Dev, Ideogram 2.0, and Recraft. You can also mix these models to get unique results. Once you choose the model, enter your prompt. For example, you can type in a futuristic city skyline with neon lights, and then select your style. You can customize the image further by selecting the auto style and auto size options, or you can manually adjust the size and style of the image. Once everything is set, hit enter and let the AI generate the image. Here's the result. Isn't it amazing? Now let's move on to one of my favorite features, the AI translation agent. This agent uses top LLM models to translate any content into another language. So for example, if you have a research paper or any document that you need translated, just paste the text into the prompt box, select the target language, and hit enter. The agents will work together to provide the best translation, combining models to get an accurate result. Here's the translated text. It's super fast and efficient. Let's take a look at the advanced agents, which are used for more complex tasks. If you need to conduct detailed research on a specific topic, you can use the deep research agent. This allows you to automatically collect and analyze data from various sources, summarize findings, and even suggest insights based on what's been gathered. For example, if I enter exploring the role of AI in education, in the prompt box, the deep research agent will find and analyze the most relevant data and provide a well-researched summary. You also have the Data Search Agent, which is a powerful tool for finding real-time results on any topic. Another advanced feature is Cross-Check, which works alongside data search to validate and cross-check information from multiple sources. This ensures that you don't get conflicting or outdated data. And if you're into finance, you can use Genspark's finance section to check financial reports of companies. For example, I can check Apple Inc.'s financials, including balance sheets, earnings, and revenue segments. It's a great way to get real-time financial data. Let's wrap it up with one of the coolest features, fashion. If you've ever wondered how an outfit would look on you, simply click on Try On. Genspark lets you upload your own model image and outfit image to see how they would look together, and the AI will try the outfit on your model. It's a fun and useful tool, especially for fashion designers or anyone looking to experiment with clothing designs. To sum up, Genspark AI is an incredibly versatile platform, offering everything from AI image generation and deep research to translations and fashion. With its mixture of agent system and wide range of options, it's one of the best tools I've seen in the AI space for tackling both simple and complex tasks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI-related content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've tried Genspark yourself. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.